Welcome back, guys. Today I'm going to show you simple exercises to get your fingers motoring across the board easily, reaching your personal best and gaining monster guitar skills. In order to gain monster skills, you have to have monster skills in your fingers first. I'm going to show you some simple exercises that if you do them enough, in a short amount of time, you will get there fast. Let's begin. The most basic ones are just picking through your notes, fingers 1, 2, and 4, then 1, 3, and 4, and adjusting the fingerings accordingly. These moves go from the first fret all the way to 12 and back. So you're going to have to build the stamina to get up to 12 and then back. I will show you how they go in the beginning. So basically in the beginning you're going to do this. We're going to pick it. There are many different ways. You can pick it once. You can do hammer-ons by picking it once. We can pick each one. But if you're beginning, we want to build all the fingers equally, so it's going to be these two fingers first. Now you have a choice on the way back. We can just move over and pick on the way up, backwards with the pinky. And then you just move all the way up, and then you move all the way back. On the way back, your fingering goes like this. It goes backwards. And on the way this way, if you're going down, you have a choice. You can go forward. Or you can stay in the same direction the whole entire time. So when you move up the guitar, you can just stay going forward all the way back. Or you can go backwards all the way back. It just depends on which direction you want to go, and you can go forward or backward together or separately all the way up and back. But either way, whichever one you choose, you want to be able to go all the way up and all the way back. Now the same thing goes for the third finger. Just depends on which exercise you want to do. So we have all of them where they stay the same. All the way forward, all the way up, all the way, you can do all the way backwards, all the way up. So you can either do one direction all the way up and all the way back, all the way forward, all the way back, or you can go all the way backwards up and all the way backwards back. Or you can mix them. Down the guitar goes forward, coming up goes backwards. So you can do both at the same time. There's many different ways to do these exercises. That's why I'm trying to cross through as many versions of them as I can for you in the shortest amount of time. So that's what we have. Now, to make the gaps a little wider, you may have whole step gaps. Or you can walk them all the way backwards. There are many different ways you can do them, but these are your basics. Now, the hammer-on pull-off thing, you can start attacking once you can get them all picked. Now you can start doing the right hand exercises and adding the right hand skills into these left hand exercises like this, where your right hand will pick alternately, and then I'll show you on the way back, you'll rest stroke it. Now on the way back, to work the right hand, you rest stroke. If you cannot handle 3 up, 1 down on the way back for the rest strokes, then just do without the 3 up, 1 down and just rest stroke it across. Or don't rest stroke it, pick it back. You can do whatever you want, but these are different versions of all the same exercises that technically, really, you want to be able to do all of these. You don't want to be able to say, well, I can't do that one. If you can do 3 or 4 of them, why wouldn't you be able to do 6 or 8 of them? I mean, you're already halfway there anyway, right? So it's just different ways to play the same fingerings. Now we can work on legato exercises. Legato means smooth with no pick. So you're going to walk through a box, maybe all with a fingering like this, it would just sound. You walk through the patterns. Just walk your fingers. Sorry, my hand got in the way there, but you get the idea. Now moving the other way, you can pick them. You do this for every finger. Then you start working different fingerings. As you get up the guitar, you start opening these fingerings up. Now I got 10, 12, and 15. Then you walk them backwards with no pick. Then you can start doing some other things with them, which I'll show you in some other videos. But guys, these are some of the basics that you all should know if you want to consider yourself to be a great guitar player. If you want to become an accomplished player, like many others, these are some of the skills you're going to need. So follow these skills, follow these videos, and play them, and hopefully they help you reach your best. And I'll be putting out some more videos on basics and how to increase your skills with simple exercises to give you fast skills quickly. See you guys in the next video. I really appreciate you watching my stuff. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll hopefully see you in the next video.